Hi friends, here is a very easy problem from IIT JEE 1999. We have to find the harmonic mean of roots of this big equation. There are a lot of radicals, but nothing to worry. We just need to find harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? It is 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta. We don't need to find the roots of this equation. We need to find harmonic mean only, right? So harmonic mean is 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta. So we already know what is we already know what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta, right? Sum of the roots, basically it is about sum of the roots and product of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? Minus b by a is 4 plus root 5. There is minus here, so it should be 4 plus root 5 by 5 plus root 2. And alpha beta is c by a, that is 8 plus 2 root 5 by 5 plus root 2. Right, harmonic mean is actually 2 alpha beta by alpha plus beta. We know this. So, right, so then 2 alpha beta is 2 times this one, right? 2 times 8 plus 2 root 5 by 5 plus root 2 by alpha plus beta is this one. So, in both cases, denominator is 5 plus root 2. So, this and this will cancel. We'll be left with 2 times 8 plus 2 root 5 by 4 plus root 5. 8 plus 2 root 5 is again 2 times 4 plus root 5, right? So this becomes 4 into 4 plus root 5. And this 4 plus root 5 and 4 plus root 5 will cancel. We'll be left with 4. The answer is actually 4. It is pretty simple. We should not be worried about solving the equation and all. We are just we just want harmonic mean, which is we know the product of the roots and the sum of the roots, that is sufficient. Right. Just by looking at the equation, if you see, we should be able to spot the similarity also. 8 plus 2 root 5 and 4 plus root 5. This is actually 2 times of this. Right. So something interesting. But harmonic means anytime any quadratic equation is given, harmonic mean we can just calculate by using the coefficients itself. We don't actually need to calculate the roots. Right, guys? Thank you.